tas pikas guys. Kahit ito po charger guys. Dapat po ng charger ni Kuya Janjan guys. Yeah, okay na guys. Cellphone dito. Like, bayad mo pa rin. Ayan, okay. Ay, gwapo na pinagdagan. Ay, 5 na ba pinagdagan mo? So, there is pikas guys. Paritag charger ba? Ito charger, kaya dapat kayo ng charger guys. Hello, medium dyan. Diba guys, dyan guys ah.
Ikaw na pumata na.
Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Ngagto na mi guys.